Hello, Soul Secrets has been created to become the leading online shoe retailer in Australia. It has been created by myself, Matthew Benzic, David Lowy, Hamish Howe, and Nicholas Avery. So the mission statement, for Soul Secrets, we aim to become the leading online retailer for all shoe needs and requirements in Australia by ensuring that our products are the highest quality, sourced from reputable suppliers, paired with our guaranteed low shipping rates with comparison to competitors such as Nike, Adidas, and Sneaker Boy. We can ensure any customer will be satisfied with using our store, guaranteed. With the exclusivity of the store being online, we'll be able to drop exclusive releases just to Soul Secret customers for anyone to purchase at the click of the button anytime during the day as they require. Thus, we will become the go-to shoe store for any Australian online. So the IT vision is made up of business objectives, the imperatives, the implications of this, and also the IT enablers to make this business objective occur. So these are some examples. So first we have cost minimization, which is made up of low delivery and supplier costs in order to reduce overhead costs of the business. Now we can do this by purchasing stock in bulk and by automating key business processes in order to do so. We also have customer retention, which includes ordering process improvement overall for customers. This includes easy user interface activity and a wider range of payment options available for the customer. And this can be done through the customer and business having direct communication in order to better improve these processes for their customers and ultimately keep them long term. We also have product quality, which includes using high quality products purchased from reputable suppliers, and this is done through supply chain management software. By ensuring that our business supply is automated through the online store, purchasing stock required from suppliers whenever our stock is low ensures that we always have the highest quality stock available for our customers. Fourthly, we have brand creation. Now, this is done through creating a unique customer experience better than that of our competitors, and can mainly be done by the ordering process efficiency and also the website uniqueness. Now we can do this through automating key business processes to upkeep with the different trends going on in the world as they arise. We also have product diversification, which means a variety of products are available and diverse for a range of customer levels. Now we can purchase stock from different brands and also different price points to accumulate for all different customers depending on wealth, age, and overall income level. And this can be done through supply chain management software, as this is automated in order to upkeep with the demands and trends purchasing on the website. Also, we have website accuracy. Now this means that the website is easy to use for all customers and there'll be continuous upgrades made by the continuous IT maintenance. So this can be done to upkeep with the trends and reduce the total number of errors that could arise in our website potential. Now this in the long term will also link to customization and customer retention. So there are a number of key business processes for Soul Secrets. We have the online ordering procedures. Now this relates to all the procedures associated with the customer from start to finish using our website. We also have inventory management, which is the back end of our store, which involves us sourcing and keeping different levels of stock in the warehouse, depending on the availability online and also the buying trends. We also have customer retention management, which is key to the success of this business, as there are a lot of shoe stores out there and we must retain the most customers and not let them go to our competitors. And this involves in creating programs and ensuring that the experience on our website is unique to the competitors. Also, we have the product delivery to the customer business process. So this involves from the warehouse, receiving the online order from the store, packaging it, ensuring the stock's there, and then shipping it to the customer and delivering it. Now, the communication of order status to the customer is also critical, as the customer, when you purchase a product, will always want to know where your product is. So by this, we communicate if there's stock available or not, the payment option being confirmed, the delivery courier has picked up the package from the warehouse, and also when the delivery is coming and when it's been delivered. And also we'll have a wider range of payment options on the website. So this can be from anywhere from MasterCard, Amex, Visa to new fintech solutions such as Zipco and Afterpay, which allow customers to spread their payments over a wide range of weeks if they don't have the income on standby to be able to purchase a pair of shoes outright. And we can also use other things such as PayPal, which allow international customers to purchase from our website with minimal fees incurred. Now, we move on to the business process model notation diagram. Now, this has been made for the online ordering procedures diagram. So as you can see below, the first swim lane we have is the customer. So he starts off with desire to want shoes, then he chooses the shoes, selects his size, and submits the order. Now, from this point, the website will receive the order online and send a check stock inventory notice to the warehouse, and they will communicate then if the stock is available or not. If the stock is unavailable, the customer will then, via the website, receive the notification and be asked to order another shoe or select a different size. However, if the shoe is available, they will receive an order confirmation and the stock is confirmed, and then they will be asked for a payment for product. And this will be done on the website by the vast array of payment options we have discussed. And then from there, this will be passed down to the warehouse, and then they will show the available stock, package the order, deliver the order, and the customer will deliver the order and then thus receive the shoes and wear them. Now, I will pass on to the Archimate model produced by Nicholas.
Below is the Sole Secret related Archimate model, which details the essential process behind business and IT alignment. This model outlines the process which takes place during customer ordering and registration, as well as the background IT tasks necessary for the entire process to work as was intended.
Well, thank you very much for that explanation. Well, my name is David, and I'm going to be taking you through our IS strategy matrix. So firstly, for our hardware package, we're mostly going to be optimizing for tower PCs for use in the office, and also laptops for more mobile teams to support crews, and handheld devices for warehousing crews. There'll also be server banks for really integral secure data that is not put on the cloud and other platforms, and that mostly comprises our hardware. Software will be utilizing many software as a service technologies to add value to our business, such as Salesforce, their marketing cloud software, which is excellent for sending out newsletters and giving notifications to people who don't purchase their cart, so they get reminded that there's still an outstanding cart for them. Also, buy now, pay later situations such as Afterpay, who can drive high value sales considering its finance options. And also Workday, which is a human resources manager, which can update worker profiles, so they're continually trained, and there's modules available for workers to make sure they're upskilled in the latest areas of the business. Networking, pretty simple, will just be running through an ISP and public infrastructure. Private network, fiber network won't be set up due to its immense costs. And data, key unstructured data will be kept on Amazon S3, but we will go through more of our data strategy when we get to that section. Okay, so next I'll be taking you through Sole Secret's information resource strategies. Information resource strategies are crucial to adding value to a business and retaining a competitive advantage throughout the operation of the firm. So there's many ways to look through information resource strategies, and I'll be taking you through a few of our lenses. And this, looking through it in a different way, gives us a balanced view, and we can choose the best strategies going forward to ensure profitability. So one way we've strategized our information resources to ensure a high yield in value for the business is through Porter's 5 competitive forces. They basically outline 5 threats that you need to manage in order to have a really good strategy base for this field. So the first, there's the threat of new entrants. So obviously, when we're running a business, plenty of others could enter. We need to make sure we're innovating and keeping good internalized and externalized structures to make sure that they don't pose a threat to our profitability. Next is the supplier bargaining power. Without a fresh range of highly fashionable and in-demand sneakers, we can't operate. So we need to make sure we forge good relationships with our suppliers to ensure they don't dominate our structure. Also, there is the rivalry, just general competition. Obviously, through adding value to our business, we can make sure that we stand out from competitors. Customers also have a high bargaining power. If they don't feel like our products are up to the certain standard or it's too expensive, we will sink. So we need to ensure our marketing strategies are up to date and making sure that our service quality is very good, so customers are incentivized to purchase through us and not competitors. And obviously, products can also be substituted. So if, for example, a different fashion trend came out or appliance to wear, then we would be a threat. So we need to be able to pivot quickly into new supply streams and also offer in-demand products to make sure that our existing business does not get diluted. So the next way we can look at information resources strategy is through the value chain model, or the Porter's value chain model, which lets us map our primary activities and those activities that support it. So for inbound logistics, we need to make sure that we're having good relationships with our suppliers, I said before, to make sure we get the current brands and provide our customers a good price through wholesale negotiation. Operations have to make sure that our website runs smoothly through integrated hardware management teams and through cloud computing offsite. Outbound logistics, we need to make good relationships with couriers such as Australia Post, which customers trust and they know how to use, so they can easily receive their goods and return it if they need to. Marketing sales is going to be a very high value add area for us. We can use our workforce cloud AI modeling to send out newsletters and abandoned cart alerts, and to also drive unique advertising campaigns. And obviously this all has to be serviceable through the company. And so for the supporting activities, firm infrastructure is very important. We need good accounting, good legal compliance, and good cloud computing software to make sure it all runs through legitimately, and all financial statistics are recorded properly. Human resource management is very important for managing our teams and our staff and making sure they're fully trained, and rostering is all good, and we can use Workday for that as a software as a service. Technology development, we always have to be investing in research and development to make sure that we're internalizing some of our business processes to make sure that we add value to those areas and not completely rely on externalization. And as I said before, procurement is really important to make sure that we get our stock well and we get all the software, hardware, and budgeted items that we need for our project. So the last way we looked at our information resource strategy is through the resource-based view. This view subscribes to the fact that you need to look at the company's internal resource pool, not just the externalized activities. You need to make sure that you're adding value from within the business, so it's not fully externalized and it's not subject to the threats that are out of the control of the business, essentially. So some ways we can improve this is through filters that are unique to our website and a buying experience like no other, and with promotional drives such as free shipping offers or really good combination offers that other stores don't offer. So those are our three strategies, and we can use them to make sure we get the most balanced approach and ensure we add value to the business. So thank you very much, and I'll now hand over.
Data is an integral aspect of business today, having a great influence on its capabilities as well as the product they produce. An effective data strategy is an essential component in aligning business goals with a company's IT strategy. In order to create an effective data strategy, SoulSecret will benefit greatly from employing an individual solely responsible for the creation and upkeep of this data strategy. This data manager will ensure the business's data strategy is effective and well aligned with the business IT requirements. Identifying the different types of data utilized and their requirements is an essential process in the creation of data strategy. Below is a table outlining the different types of data utilized by SoulSecret. This includes external data, or data that is stored externally, often outsourced on external databases. Unstructured data, which cannot be arranged or sorted by a preset model within a database, for example. And structured data, data which can be arranged and sorted within often a relational database. Data storage is another major aspect of a data strategy with a great influence on a business's final data strategy plan. SoulSecret will store all relevant structured data within internal storage facilities designed to handle its internal data needs. This will include internal servers dedicated to storing important business documents and reports, allowing individuals who have received approval to access this information when necessary. These facilities will also store all product information as well as current stock, providing streamlined processes for stock take processes. Furthermore, SoulSecret will be utilizing Amazon's S3 cloud storage infrastructure for their structured data storage needs. This allows the business to store all relevant unstructured data in the cloud, allowing for easy access for those with approval.
Okay, so I'll be showing a quick demonstration of the website that we made a mock-up of. So for this website we used Wixsite. It seemed to be the most straightforward and easy to use free option. Some of the other ones like Shopify seem to kind of need you to apply for a subscription after 7 days, and I wasn't too sure if that was the best option. But yeah, Wix seemed like a good compromise. So this is the home page. As you can see, we've just got our main company logo at the front with an easy shop now button. If you continue to scroll down, you can see it then splits off into the two main categories of shoes, being men's and women's. And if you go a bit further down, you can see that there's a quick link to any sales that are on at the moment, and then just a bit of a product gallery of some current shoes. The bottom then of course just has typical footer information such as address and contact us details. So let's just see if we want to take a look at the men's collection. Just have a click, It loads up, so it just brings you directly to the store. So yeah, you can scroll through that. Yeah, different examples, different prices and stuff. So that's all of those. If you click a specific product, that's all sorted as well. You can select the different sizes available, colors if it's applicable, and yeah, add it to your cart. Look at all the information about the product. So yeah, I mean that's basically the foundation of the website, seeing as it is just an e-commerce site. Of course, then just about us, customer service pages, nothing too special. So yeah, that's sort of the website. In terms of the accessibility report for it, I used PowerMapper, as it said was an option in the assignment specification, to kind of do the automated checking of it. So as you can see, it was mainly failed just in the level A categories rather than the double A. So yeah, if you read through them, most of them are just to do with a bunch of elements and other aspects that kind of aren't quite in our control, just using something such as Wix. So yeah, I mean, if we were developing the website from the ground up, we could probably address these issues, but most of these I think are mainly referencing elements that aren't actually kind of shown to the user too much. Like if you went to edit it, you could probably find different elements that it's referring to. So that's, as you can see, just 10 issues on the level A and then 1 on the double A. And then in terms of the full report, so I just went through similar to how it was done in one of the tutorial activities, using that automatic checker to then generate the more in-depth report. So quick summary of the level A and level double A. So this is all that's been put into the report, because it is into the actual report we're submitting, as it is kind of quite lengthy. But if you wanted to have a quick look at the entire thing, there's a quick scroll through. Some things, obviously audio control, there was no audio, so I've labeled it as not present. And it was of course only done to the AA standard. There was, I believe, no need to do all the way to AAA. So there's just a couple that were identified as failed on the automatic that I've put in. And that's basically the whole evaluation. Thanks.